Back with another video, and as you can see, we are going to unbox the mini tripod stand over here. You can see this over here, and if you all want to buy this, it's very cheap. It's only for $230 only. And if you want to buy this product, the buying link is in the description, so please go check it out. And so now we are going to open this box and see what's inside. So as you can see, I opened the box over here, and you can see this is the mini tripod stand over here for those making YouTube videos, shooting YouTube videos. You can see this is the stand over here where you can put your mobile. It's for mobile, for digital cameras, and those of you who are using GoPro cameras, the small cameras, it's suitable for that also. So you get the stand over here. You can see this is the stand over here, stand, and with it you get this mobile holder also. You can put your mobile, and as you can see the mobile over here, and yeah, perfect fit. It's comfortable for any size, and you can shoot videos with your mobile, and you can connect over here. Attach this. Okay, now it's attached. You can see like this. Yeah, it's like this. You can see this thing over here. It's a non-slip rubber, which while shooting it doesn't get slipped. See, it's steady. Here you can see on this platform. It's okay, and as you can see on the ground also, it doesn't slip. And the features of this thing is it's compatible. It's foldable. As you can see, it's foldable. It has this lock system over here. This lock system where you can press this lock. You can go like 180 degrees over here, 180 degrees, and it's portable. You can take it anywhere. It's lightweight and it's durable. So if one of these non-stick rubbers of the leg, if it gets lost, as you can see, it comes with an extra one over here, this thing, and you can remove this and attach to this place wherever it is lost. So guys, if you like this video, thanks for watching this video. Please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, hit that subscribe button, that big red button over there. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn the post on notifications to get updated whenever we post a new video, and please don't forget to comment. So thanks for watching.